What a powerful skill to have when you are asked to rearrange this particular equation or something similar to this. This here is the net force, which is from Newton's second law, where the mass is multiplied by the acceleration. Now here, what if you're asked to make our A the subject of the formula? How will you go about it? In here, we have our net force to be equal to the mass times the acceleration. In this case, we need to move our m over to the other side. Therefore, we divide both sides by our m, which is the mass of the object. Therefore, on the right side of the equation, your mass cancels out and we're left with 1, and this is multiplied by a, and that gives you a, which is your acceleration, and this here is equal to the net force divided by the mass of the object. Now, you might be asking yourself, of course, this is also the same when you're asked to make m the subject of the formula. And absolutely, you are correct, because in here we have our force to be multiplied by the mass times the acceleration. But here we're dividing both sides by acceleration to move it over to the other side. Therefore, our acceleration cancels out and we have 1, and our mass multiplied by 1 is equal to mass, and it is equal to the force divided by the acceleration. And so this here is how we are able to determine or rearrange equations that are in this particular format like this. So follow here for more science and chemistry tips here on this channel.